Hi again and welcome back to 31 Days, 31 Lessons, One Winning Team. And if you're a business owner or a leader looking to build a high performing team, then you're in the right place. Because every day this month I'm going to be sharing with you practical, no fluff strategies that you can start using right away to create your own winning team. And today I'm diving into one-to-ones that drive growth and accountability. Okay, one-to-ones are not performance reviews. And far too often these meetings are mistakenly seen as a time to evaluate past performance rather than to foster future growth. And instead of using them as a checklist for what went wrong, you're better seeing them as opportunities to build support, encourage development and align on priorities. One-to-ones are about creating an open dialogue centred on support, growth and alignment. They're your chance to connect with your team members on a personal level, understand their challenges, celebrate their wins, and set clear expectations for the future. And when these meetings are framed correctly, they're not only going to boost accountability, but they're also going to empower your team to continuously look to improve. So let me share with you a quick example. I work with a leader who transformed her one-to-ones by simply asking 3 questions. What's working for you? What's challenging you? And what do you need? And this approach shifted the conversation from a review of past performance to a forward-looking discussion. And team members started sharing insights about their successes and the obstacles they faced, which then led to actionable solutions and a stronger sense of support and alignment across the team. So, here's your actionable step for today. Implement the 3Q model in your next one-on-one meeting. Start by asking what's working. And ask that question to uncover the strengths and successes that you can help that person build upon. Then ask what's challenging you, to identify any hurdles or frustrations that might be holding this person back. And finally ask what do you need, to offer your support and resources, ensuring they have what it takes to overcome obstacles to achieve their goals. And when you reframe your one-on-ones as conversations geared towards growth and support, you're not only driving accountability, but you're also nurturing an environment where your team feels valued and empowered. Remember, these meetings are a powerful tool to align your team's efforts with your overarching goals, ensuring that everyone is moving forward together. So thank you for tuning in today. Now, if you found this strategy helpful, please like, comment, share, follow, connect, so that you won't miss tomorrow's lesson on building your own winning team. Until then, make your one-to-ones a platform for growth and watch how this simple shift transforms your team's performance. And remember, these tips only work if you work them. So give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Trust me, you are going to thank yourself later. Now you go out there and make 2025 the year that you create a winning team for your business.